Hi everyone, let's unbox this.
This will be my second Casio Tank, which is the AQ-230A-7B. Here it is, inside the plastic wrapping. The box seems to be okay, there is no dent on it. And here are the warranty certificate and the shop, the name of the shop. And this is the module number 5154 and international warranty card. Okay, so let's proceed by removing the watch from the plastic wrapping. And again, this is the tag. This is the model number AQ-230A-7BMQ. And that's the watch. Let's remove the watch tag first, which is I think the most difficult task of unboxing. Is this one. And again, showing you the model number, removing the protective plastic sticker, and there is the watch, shining silver and white dial. At the bottom is the digital display showing the date and day, and on top is the Casio Quartz logo and water resistant, I believe 30 meters water resistant. Here the black Arabic numerals is a contrast with the white dial, so it will be easy to read the time. Here the case is shining like a stainless steel, but actually it's only plastic, it's only resin and not stainless steel. This is a great timepiece, retro timepiece, which is suitable for both male and female. On the digital display, you can actually set the dwell time, the stopwatch, the daily alarm, and the hourly signal. Although this watch is cheap, but the bracelet to me looks elegant and contributed to the overall looks of this watch as a retro timepiece. There is the Casio logo and the stainless steel case back with the model number, and this is the underside of the bracelet. The price of this watch is $21, and that is about equivalent to Ringgit Malaysia 102. And next will be the bracelet links, and they look solid, but I'm not very sure whether they're solid or not. Next will be the size of the watch, which is pretty small. It's a case size about 29.8 millimeter, and lug to lug about 38.8 millimeter, thickness about 8.1 millimeter, and lug size about 18 millimeter. My first Casio Tank is the all plastic MQ-27, the black one on the left, and the latest one is the AQ-230, which is I'm reviewing now. This is how the watch looks on my tiny 6.5-inch wrist. Not bad at all. Okay guys, thanks for watching and see you again in the next one. Bye for now.